The binding is secure?
It must hold. The spirits demand it. Now we offer it.
I am ready.
The man will forever be yours, and nothing on earth can separate you both.
Alright guys, so on this particular video, I'm going to teach you how you can be able to generate AI story that is up to 10 minutes long, totally free. And this video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to be making you understand all you need to know for you to be able to generate AI video that is up to 10 minutes long using just one AI tool. All right, so what you need to do right now is simply watch the video to the end. Do not skip any part. Let me simply show you how you can be able to generate this video with just few clips. All right, so all you need to do right here, you need Gemini and also you need CapCut. Now the CapCut that I'm talking about is not the CapCut app. Simply watch right now. Let me show you how you can be able to generate full story video with just one AI tool, and it is totally free. You are not paying for anything. All right, so the first thing you need to do right now is, first of all, you need to go to your Gemini app as usual. Then over here, I've already put the prompt. I actually command the Gemini to actually write a full-time story about an African traditional herbalist and a lady who happens to deceive the traditional herbalist to make charm for her, after which the lady used the charm against the traditional herbalist. So I've already put the write up right here, and already the Gemini has already given me the full video script. Okay, so what I need to do from here is to go ahead and copy the full video script. All right, so if you want to be learning about how you can be able to put this type of command, if you want to learn how you can be able to command your Gemini, let me know right there in the comment section, and I'll be telling you how you can be able to interact with the Gemini and ask it to generate any type of story that you want. Okay, so from here right now, what I need to do is to go ahead and then copy it. Okay, so right now I simply need to copy all this text. All right, so you need to stop where the storyline actually stopped. Okay, so once you have copied it, then you need to head over to your browser. Okay, you need to head over to your browser, then you need to search for CapCut. Now do not download the CapCut, you need to use the website version. Okay, so over here right now, once the website opens like this, then you go ahead and paste it right here. You paste those right up that you just copied from the Google Gemini. So I will click over here, then I'm going to have to paste it like this. So once you paste it, what you need to do is to go ahead right now, click on author, then select video. All right, so once you select video like this, then you can now choose it to be in any way you want. Okay, so over here right now, I'm going to have to click on this, and it will open. I will go to full video. I will select full video. So from here, I'm going to have to choose my style. I'm going to choose realistic. If you want it to be 3D cartoon, any way you want your video to look like, you select it right here. So I'm going to be selecting realistic theme. So from here, I'm going to be selecting the type of voice that I want to use for my video. All right, so over here, I'm going to be selecting this first one. You can test any of the voice if you want to. Okay, you can hear that. So I'm going to be looking for another one. I'll just try this one.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Okay, I'm going to be selecting this particular voice for my video. All right, remember, we are making YouTube video. If you want to be making your video for TikTok, you select this particular one right here. Now you have to select how long you want your video to be. You can see we have 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. So right here, I'm going to have to select 10 minutes so that it will cover all my video parts. So over here, I have to come over here, then I will click on send. Once you click on send, they are going to be taking you to another page where you need to finalize every single thing. Remember what I told you guys, this is 100% free. All right, so currently they are about to start generating our video. As you are seeing right here, I'm only using one AI tool to do the whole thing. So over here, guys, you can see they are generating every single thing, the video line and the characters, every single thing. They are putting it together right here. So what I need to do from here is to go ahead and allow it to load completely. When it's done loading completely, then I'm going to have to click on this green button down here. Okay, just bear with me. In just a little seconds, we are going to be good to go. So finally, we have it right here. Okay, so I will click on generate video. Remember, this is 100% free. You are not paying for this. This is 100% free. If you have any question about how to go about the whole stuff, or if you find anything confusing, don't worry to let me know right there on the comment section. As you're seeing right now, they are actually generating every single thing, and you can track it right here on the storyboard. All right, so give it like a couple of minutes and we are going to be good to go. So right now I'm going to have to pause the video until the video generation is done. It usually takes up to 5 minutes or below 5 minutes to generate the whole video. Okay. Okay, and right now you can see we are almost done. The video is now ready. Okay, so over here, let me show you this very clearly. Okay, so right now we can play this video right now. So I'm going to be playing the video right now so that we get to see that our video has been successfully generated completely free. All right, so over here the video is going to be playing picture by picture, but if you want to be learning how you can be able to make the picture to move, do let me know right there on the comment section. Also, if you want to be learning how you can be able to keep on using CapCut video generation feature completely free without having to create multiple email addresses, do where to let me know right there on the comment section, and I'll be making a full video guide for that. Okay, so over here let me quickly play the video so that you get to watch it together with me.
Deep within the forbidden forest, where the shadows grow long even at midday, lies the sacred and mysterious shrine of the Great Baba. Inside, the air is heavy with the scent of burning sage and ancient secrets. Carved wooden masks watch from the darkness with hollow, knowing eyes. I need something to make him mine forever, Baba. A charm so strong he can never look at another woman. Baba looks into her eyes, seeing the depths of her obsession. He knows the weight of the magic she seeks, but he continues the ritual. His weathered hands move with practiced grace, mixing rare ingredients that pulse with a life of their own. This is done. Once you use this, the man you target will be bound to your soul. He will follow you like a shadow. He hands her a small leather pouch. It glows with a faint,
bound to the woman who stole his soul.
Okay, so simply this is how you generate the video, but this is not actually a perfect result from this video generating feature. Okay, so I have a TikTok where I have actually posted the videos that I've been generating from this particular CapCut feature. All right, so if you have any question about how to go around this, do let me know. Now, to be able to save the video, you simply click over here on export. You can change the name, you can select the quality to be very high. You can also change the resolution to maybe 18 or 10 by 80 or 2K or even 4K. Then you click on export, and once you click on export, your video is going to start saving into your device. So this is simply how you can be able to generate video completely free of charge using Google Gemini and CapCut. All right, so if you have any question about this, do let me know right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you resolve it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be talking to you on the next video dropping very soon.